All right. Check this out. My refrigerator has its own refrigerator. Little mini fridge inside the bigger one. And then you can actually open it up from this side too. It's got all these LEDs, all this stuff. That's the kind of refrigerator it is. And not only that, look, so this pulls out. All this pulls out. And then the best part, besides the mini fridge inside the fridge, there's even more space. Look at all this stuff. And that's not it. It also pulls out the top. This has to be one of the biggest refrigerators on the market. So again, that's what kind of fridge it is.